Good morning, children. So today we are going to talk about a social lesson about clothes. Lesson 2. Children, you are wearing nice shirt today. Good. Lovely pant, shirt, frock, dress. Look at your dress. Yes. Can you see what color are you wearing? Good. Very nice. Correct? Yeah. You are very happy. So when you wear nice clothes also you are very happy. You know, nice clothes I'll wear, so you'll go very happy, you'll feel everybody is looking at you. So children, this is a lesson about clothes. So we are talking about why do you wear clothes? Yes, the first point is we wear clothes to cover a body. Yes or no? Yes, it can be a shirt, pant, frock, it can be skirt, blouse, pants, jeans, it can be even uniform also. So even night dress also, you wear clothes to cover your body. That is the first understanding of lesson, clothes. So in this lesson, there are two children who are talking. One child is talking to the teacher. So everybody is looking in the classroom. The girl's name is Vijaya and there's a teacher. So teacher is asking, the girl has entered the classroom. Vijaya, why didn't you wear the school uniform today? She's asking that girl. So what happens? Vijaya said, Madam, today is my birthday, so I am wearing new clothes. So children, when you are having a birthday, you do wear new clothes, nice shining dress. You'll be taking a lot of sweets also for all your friends. So that girl told, Vijaya said, Madam, today is my birthday, I am wearing new clothes. So everybody looked at her. So teacher said, Happy birthday to you. You look pretty in your new clothes and new dress. Come and sit down. So when you wear colorful dress for a birthday, you give chocolates also to everybody. So children, you know you are wearing different uniforms every day to the school. You wear color dress only when you have a birthday or if your school is having some function, that time they tell you to wear colorful clothes. Yes. So we wear clothes according to the function or according to your birthday, according to your night time, according to your daytime, according to school time. Yes, we all wear clothes to cover the body. And how do you look? We appear smart and beautiful in clothes. Yes or no? You look very smart in your clothes. Yes, correct. When you're wearing a nice new jean pant, shirt, t-shirt, skirt, blouse, frock, so you look very nice, smart and beautiful. Correct. So what else do the clothes do for you? You wear clothes on birthday, nice, colorful. Other time you'll be wearing uniform in the school. At home you'll be wearing home wear dresses, and in the night time you wear night wear night dresses. So all the clothes protect your body. They make you look smart and beautiful also. So children, what else will the clothes do? So clothes protect us also. Yes, they protect you from where? Heat. So when you have a lot of heat, you are wearing good clothes. It protects you from cold. It protects you from rain also. So will you wear same type of clothes for all this thing? No. When it is very heat, you will be wearing nice light color clothes which will give you a lot of air. When it is very cold, how will you wear? You are very cold and shivery. So what will you wear? Sweaters. Yes. When it is very cold in winter season, you will be wearing sweaters to keep yourself warm. And when it is raining, what do you wear? When it is raining, you have to protect yourself from the rainwater. So what do you wear? You wear a raincoat to protect your dress. You take an umbrella also to protect yourself. So according to the season, you will be wearing clothes to protect us from heat, cold and rain. So what are the different clothes made of? Now tell me children, how are the clothes made of? So you will be wearing clothes made from cotton. Yes. So you have cotton clothes with you? Yes. Every day you'll be wearing cotton clothes. Then you have woolen clothes, wool, clothes made out of wool, and clothes made out of silk also. We have silk clothes also. So we have so many varieties of clothes made from cotton, made from wool and silk. Cotton clothes you'll be wearing because they are very nice, light and airy. So definitely you'll be wearing daily also cotton clothes. So children, You can wear cotton, wool and silk. So you wear silk in different occasions, for your wedding, for parties, for pujas, for birthdays. Yes, so you wear clothes made of cotton also, wool also, silk also. But according to this also, according to heat, cold and rain also, sometimes you wear clothes according to season also. So what do you wear in summer? So when you have summer season, children, what will you wear? You will wear cotton clothes, correct. Why do you wear cotton clothes in summer? Cotton clothes, summer is very hot. So we wear cotton clothes to protect ourselves from the heat and sweating. So when you sweat, you need a handkerchief. So children, when you are having a lot of hot climate for the summer, we wear cotton clothes to protect ourselves from heat and from sweating. Yes or no, children? You wear pure cotton clothes. That is very good for protecting your body from heat and sweating. Now what about the winter season? So you will be wearing woolen clothes in winter. What are the woolen clothes in winter you wear? In winter you start feeling cold. So to protect your body, make it more hot, you have to wear sweaters, coats, yes, gloves, caps, according to how cold your place is. During winter it is very cold. So we have to wear woolen clothes in winter season to protect ourselves from cold. So this is the type of clothes you will be wearing in the winter. Now what will you do in the rainy season? You will be wearing in the rainy season. So what do you wear during the rainy season? You will be wearing raincoats. When lot of rain falls, you will become wet. You might get cold and fever. So what you have to do? You should not get yourself wet. So to cover your body, you will be wearing a raincoat with a cap, or you will be taking an umbrella. You need both these things to protect yourself from rain. Children, so you know cotton clothes you wear in the summer, woolen clothes you wear in the winter, and rain wear you wear in the rainy season. So these are the different things you will be wearing in different seasons. According to your variety of clothes also, you have cotton clothes, woolen clothes, silk clothes. Different clothes are worn in different time and different seasons. So children, we have to wear clean clothes also. So along with this, you have to learn to wear good clothes and clean clothes. That means all the clothes whichever you use, it should be washed and cleaned properly, dried properly, ironed and worn it. That way they look very nice. It makes you look smart and beautiful. So children, always wear clean clothes. Don't wear dirty clothes. When you have used the clothes for maybe 1 day, 2 days, even if you go out 1 day, full clothes are full of dust. Even the shirts, even the sleeves, everything black will find. So dirty clothes are not good for your health. So children, see that your clothes are washed, cleaned properly, ironed properly and wear them. Any type of clothes, whether it is summer clothes, whether in winter also, whether rainy also, all the clothes which you are wearing should be clean. It should not be dirty, as it is very dangerous for your health, not good for your health. In our country, people wear different types of clothes in different regions. Yes or no? So if you go to a South India side, you will be seeing them wearing a lungi, shirt, and ladies will be wearing nice silk sarees. When you go to Punjab area, North area, they will be all wearing shirt and pant or lehenga and all that, and ladies will be wearing lot of salwar kameez and patialas. So when you go to Rajasthan area, they will be wearing half sari like chunni, full dress like thing, and a chunni something they take on your head also. So man will be wearing a different type of dress. Even the Gujarat people also, they will be also having different type of clothes. If you go to another area of the north, like the seashore side, the sea people also will be wearing different type of clothes. So Bengal people will be having different clothes. Gujarat people will be having different clothes. Maharashtra will be wearing different type of clothes. And even Tamil Nadu, south side also wear different varieties of clothes. So children, in our country, people of different type of people in different areas, they wear different type of clothes according to their state. So children, see the different state of clothes and try to see how they are dressed up. I am sure you will be having one nice program in your school where they will tell you whichever is your state, you dress up like that and come. Yes or no? Nice no program, everybody will enjoy. Then you can wear a nice dress of your own traditional wear. You can wear from your home. Your mother will put a nice sari for you. If it is a girl, if it is a boy, he'll wear kurta pajama or shirt pant or suit also. Don't know. So children, this is also very good thing for you to learn. So we are learning today about clothes. Did you understand, children? So clothes cover our body. That is the main thing of the lesson. So clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. You know about cotton and woolen and silk. Cotton clothes you will be wearing, they are very common. You will be wearing every day at home also cotton clothes. Woolen clothes you wear only to protect yourself from cold. When it is very cold, you have to wear woolen clothes. It protects your body. Silk clothes you can wear for special occasion, your birthdays, weddings, functions. Yes, very nice, they are very soft and smooth. And clothes make you look smart and beautiful, children. So according to the season also you wear clothes. In the summer season you feel very hot and sweaty. So what do? You wear cotton clothes. It will give you a lot of air. In winter season you feel lot of cold, very shivering. So you have to cover your body and keep it warm. So you wear woolen clothes in winter season. What do you wear in the rainy season? You wear a raincoat and an umbrella to protect your body from the rain which is falling. The rain will make you wet, it will make you fall sick. So you have to protect yourself in the rainy season. You wear raincoats and umbrella, gumboots, protect yourself. So children, all these clothes and all these things also you should wear clean clothes. That means you should wash them regularly, iron them and look after the clothes very neatly. If you wear dirty clothes, it is very bad for your health. So children, try to wear clean clothes whenever you can. Try as better. And our different regions have different type of clothes. So you can see all the regions of the different variety of clothes. You can see Punjabi people wearing different clothes, Gujarati people wearing different clothes, South India people wearing different clothes. You can go through the lesson again and see the different varieties of clothes they are wearing. So today we have completed this lesson about clothes. Clothes are very important to us. So children, see that you feel very happy wearing clean clothes, look smart and beautiful. Yes children? Okay. See that you are very smart and beautiful. Thank you.